This is what we working on right here. What is this, gang? It's your boy Luke back with another video. We are pulling the flakes off today. Man, that is a solid. That's solid. Solid sheet of ice right there. Oh, not though. Yeah, I'm pulling the flakes off today. Sure will. And then I gotta go help John with some stuff. John called me this morning. Want me to go help him. Want me to go help him with some stuff. So that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah. But I'll give y'all a little update on what I did last night. I didn't do much. So I got the trim coming for the edge right here. Just make sure I got the right stuff. I got the trim coming for the edge. I was shopping around. Man, what is this? Is this doggone thing leaking? I wonder if these screw holes is leaking. What would it look like? Y'all see that? Look like these doggone. Look like these screw holes is leaking. Or maybe it's the condensation. I don't know. I'll spray some doggone Flex Seal up there. I will. Huh. First time I've noticed that though. It look like it's coming from right. Is it coming from right there? Huh. Yeah, that ain't gonna work. That ain't gonna work. But anyway, I started working on that pinstripe last night. I started working on that pinstripe, getting that pinstripe off of there. I got a little bit that I left, my battery ran out, so I still got that little strip right there, and then I got to get the other side, but yeah. Yeah. She coming along. She coming along. I'm gonna strip it all down and get it ready, man, cause I at least want to have it. I at least want to have it for the truck. So, but yeah, I'm finna get these wheels out, throw these wheels on real quick, and then we're gonna head to John's house. Yeah. She's super ugly. Sure is. Yeah. Yeah, she's super ugly. Yeah. It's supposed to snow real good tomorrow, but man, them jokers right there look good. I just wish they had better tires on them. But even if they did have good tires on them, I wouldn't be sliding them in the snow. And y'all know we finna I'm finna do another test with this doggone, with this stuff right here that I bought, this wheelie clean. If y'all haven't seen my review on that, y'all go check out my review on this wheelie clean right here. But yeah, I'm finna use it up. But I'm finna do another test on the wheelie clean on these wheels right here, because I need the backs of these wheels right here clean before I throw new tires on them. Because I am finna throw new tires on them, but I'm not finna slide the new tires in the snow. I'm finna slide these in the snow. Whew. Boy, them doggone Stockianas, them are ugly. Them mugs are super ugly. They probably look better with the center caps, but whatever. It is what it is. That's what we doing today. So I'm finna wait on John to call me, and then I'm probably finna head to John's house. Get finished drinking my coffee. Yeah. Yeah. That's good right there. Get finished drinking my coffee and see what John got going on. But I'll be back whenever I get over that game. This guy right here just tried to offer me $4,000 for my doggone truck. I think he been eating paint chips. No sir. Yeah, but this is what we working on. This is what we working on right here. It's all right. It's the wrong brand though. It's the wrong brand. But he got me out here in the mud. Look at this kid. Hey kid, got me out here in the mud.
Hey Lisa.
Look at them glasses. Those are stylish. Yeah.
Hey Lisa.
Hey, got me out here in the mud. It's a good thing I wore good shoes. Good shoes. Now, where's that pump at?
Down here on the frame. Well, it's on the block, side of the block down there under the smog pump. See this metal line? It goes to the top of it.
Dude. Oh my God. Anyway, gang, I'll be back after I get finished messing with John, because evidently he want me to crawl around in some mud today.
Luther.
That's it.
Hey Luther.
What?
Where's the dish?
Yeah, so gonna need a swivel. I ain't leaking fuel almost. I know, that's what I said. I was supposed to steer exactly.
I'll tell you what else is wrong with it.
It's right there.
Well, that was a pain in the ass. Excuse my language, y'all. That was a pain. What are you doing, tightening up that ground?
Taking it off.
Taking it off? You gonna take them hoses out of there?
Yeah, I'm gonna pull them where we can get around it.
Okay. Yeah, it took me about 30 minutes to get to that back bolt. But if y'all doing an injection pump on one of these right here, go through the fender well. Just take the fender liner out.
Lift pump.
Lift pump, whatever. It's a doggone fuel pump.
It's a lift pump. The injection pump on top of it.
Whatever. Same doggone thing. On a gas motor, that is a fuel pump. I don't know why they renamed it. They don't try to rename it for a dang on diesel. But that's Ford for you. You know what I'm saying? This guy right here, this guy always relapses back to a Ford. I don't understand. I have him straight and clean on a Chevy. And in here, okay, I need a Ford. Why you do that to yourself, man?
I need a wrench.
Oh, now you need a wrench. Okay. Hey, listen. Y'all heard that. I said Ford. He said I need a wrench. You need a 5/8? They dying now, ain't it? Or is it in this bag right here? Well, Luther left. 5/8. 5/8. There it is right there. Here you go. Anyway, when we get this thing started, I'll be back. Anyway, we got that injection pump on. It's cold out here. It is freezing. It's freezing. What, that one was new? Oh. Well, I don't ever in my life want to put another injection pump on one of them again, ever in my life. I don't like Fords anyway. I said what I said. I'd have this Ford right here if I had to, though. If I just had to have it, if I needed something, if I needed a tow pig, this would be it right here. But anyway, those of y'all here watching this video, hope y'all like the content. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, turn on all post notifications. That way you're notified when I drop another video. See this Ford truck right here? I wouldn't have that piece of crap. I wouldn't have that one. That one's a piece of crap. You know what I'm saying? I would not have that one. But anyway, I probably ain't doing nothing else today, man. Just gotta get ready for work tomorrow. And it's supposed to snow. So if it snow, yeah, y'all know we're gonna be ready. We're gonna be ready. I got them skinnies on there. I got them skinnies. She look real doggone sick. But it's all good though. She don't look bad. She don't look bad. But y'all do your boy a favor, man. Hit that subscribe button. And I'm out, man. Peace.